Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to make my beef and rice goulash, so let's get started. I have a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan, half of a purple onion I diced up, so I'm sauteing it. I'll put in a teaspoon of garlic. I'll stir that around. Now I'll take my ground beef and I'll place that in my pan. I placed 1 pound of ground beef. I'll chop it up. I call this my beef and rice goulash. It's really good. It's quick and easy. Now I'll get some salt and pepper. I'll add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I'll mix that around. You want the ground beef to brown up. If there's excess grease, I will drain it. So as I'm mixing it, I'm chopping up the meat. I'll place a half a teaspoon of chili powder in. I'll stir that around. And you'll cook your rice according to the directions on the package. I made enough for a serving of 4. I'll drain this. You can see there's a little bit of grease. I'll turn my burner down low and I will go drain my ground beef. Now that I drained my ground beef, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I'll mix it around. The rice is done, so now I'm going to take this rice and pour it into the ground beef with the tomatoes. So now I mix the rice all in. Now I'll place the cheese on top. I'm using Fiesta blend and it's finely shredded. So I have 14 ounces that I'll place on top. I'll put in a little at a time and then mix it. I'll put the rest in. I'll give it a little try. Perfect. Very good. So now I'll put a little on my plate. This is so good. Deserves a second bite. It's really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my ground beef and rice goulash. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.